What we want to do is really, really hard to do. What's on the other side of hard work is joy. The only way that you get through this stress is you keep going. When you're going through hell, keep going.
I come alive in the dark, and I keep getting stronger. My limit's the sky.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I do the impossible.
James Becker, CEO of Fusion Growth Partners. Rory Gola, President of Growth and West Regions at Compass. Michael Valdez, former Chief Growth Officer at eXp Realty and now CEO of LPT International. Byron Loing, the industry's top media personality and currently CEO of Banff. And Brian Holman, currently the Chief Strategy Officer at Lofty.
Tonight I hunt with the pride. You can't take my pride away.